Hello everybody, and welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we're being asked to simplify the expression 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 squared plus 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 5 minus 1 over 3. And we're going to simplify this using the order of operations. The order of operations tells us that we're supposed to simplify what's in the brackets first, then the exponents, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. And we can follow this order until our expression is completely simplified. So the first on the list is the brackets, and we do have brackets in our expression, so let's go ahead and simplify that. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 is equivalent to 2 over 3. So it's 2 over 3 squared plus 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 5 minus 1 over 3. The next on our list is the exponents. So 2 over 3 squared is equivalent to 2 over 3 times 2 over 3, which is equal to 4 over 9. So we have 4 over 9 plus, and let's go ahead and simplify the division while we're at it in this one. 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 5 is equivalent to 5 over 1 times 2 over 3 because we just need to flip this expression and change this operation to multiplication. So we get 4 over 9 plus 2 over 3 times 5 over 1, change it to multiplication and flip the fraction, minus 1 over 3. And so now that the exponents and the division is done, we have multiplication to do. So that gives us 4 over 9 plus 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 1 is 3, plus 10 over 3 minus 1 over 3. And the next step is to multiply all of these fractions by a factor so that they all have the same denominator. And we would need to multiply the second and the third fraction by 3, the numerator and the denominator, so all the fractions have a denominator of 9. So that gives us 4 over 9 plus 30 over 9 minus 3 over 9. And now we can go ahead and add and subtract. 4 over 9 plus 30 over 9 is equivalent to 34 over 9 minus 3 over 9. And 34 minus 3 is equal to 31 over 9. And here we have our answer. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.